severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, central Abbeville County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Greenwood County in upstate South Carolina, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles northwest of Abbeville, or over Lake Secession, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hania Path, Ware Shoals, Due West, Iva, Lake Secession, Donalds, Cocosberry, Hodges, Lonesville, and Shoals Junction. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. This storm is also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, and Greenwood.